Lorraine, so what can you say about the Jasmine, pancit patong?
Siya muna.
What can you say with the food?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, I cannot see you, yeah?
The boys.
Huh?
The bathroom of the boys.
What?
The floors.
Oh, I cannot see you. Can you just stand up for a while?
The floor is with water.
How about...
The girls' bathroom, it was so dirty.
Yeah.
In the boys' room, I just noticed that the parang roof, it's like torn.
No, I cannot hear you.
It's like torn, mommy. It's like torn apart, and there's like ants coming in.
How about the restaurant?
The main room looks disgusting.
And?
Ano nandito sa...
There is a lot of sibuyas.
Latong sibuyas.
Ito, basahin mo ito.
So, did you enjoy the food?
Yeah.
Ano on the way na
Yeah,
tayo?
kinda.
Dito.
But the place is so messy, yeah?
Yeah.
Kamo
That makes it
kumana,
not-
ako maliwa. Unang kanto.
That makes it not so nice, yeah?
Yeah, see, Charlie, before we go home na, I was like parang, merong part of the thing, it's like some of the part, they have parang daanan, mommy.
Oo.
Parang